All right, here we are with Brian on Tipsy Turtle, and we're in the middle of another one of his fabulous excursions. So anyway, hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver. Here we are on Tipsy Turtle, and so here's Brian on another one of his excursions. So, hey Brian, what are we doing today?
Well, I should have hired somebody for this one.
Why? It's not as good on YouTube if you do it right the first time.
Yeah, no, all right, so we are trying to change out a rusted out transmission cable. And so, like, I've got the old one out, I've got the new one sort of in, right? This side, the transmission cable side, has a bracket for the cable. This side did not, and it has a clip that's attached kind of in the middle of the pedestal, which I don't know how to get to it, and I unscrewed it and it fell to the bottom.
All right, so good days. We got something to really work on here now, so we're gonna go fishing. See what we can find.
A few moments later.
So here's Brian. Hey Brian, back on the boat, working on the boat.
Back on the boat.
All right, Brian, so what do we got here so far? You got a new piece here, right?
This isn't new.
Bracket?
The bracket down here is
Oh,
new.
yeah, okay.
Yeah. So that's new. Well, new to me.
Yeah, got you.
This is the throttle cable. This
Yeah.
is the transmission cable.
Yep.
The transmission's set. I think we're good there.
Okay.
Like, that's all nice and humpty-dory, but the throttle cable's being funky, and this, I think I have to adjust this, but it's not quite set right, and I'm not sure
Okay.
what to do there.
All right. Well, we're gonna look at it and make it right, so we can get this Tipsy Turtle out here. Kathy, we want you to tell us what to do, and me and Brian will do anything you tell us to do.
Okay.
And it'll work. I promise you, I've done this before. So here we are at Cooper's, and yes, I got my favorite FAMs here. The famous, and just, you know, sometimes I can't believe they hang out with me, but guess who it is? Tabby and Brian from, yep, and Tipsy too. So, all right, so guys, y'all never been to Cooper. Who do you think so far?
So far, the waitress is amazing. It's a really good time. I love the environment.
The kitties is here. Let's see, there's the kitties. Okay, Brian, what you gonna say?
The food, the menu looks awesome. Tony, he let us right here.
Okay. And how about you then, John Cotton? Thank you for having me on the air conditioner today.
All right.
How's it going?
It's going good. Eat?
Food gonna be good?
Yeah, always.
You gonna eat all of yours? Clean your plate?
I'm going to eat all the Kathy's food.
All right. All right. So Kathy's not here. We miss you. But anyway, we've been working hard today. Brian's been working on his boat, and we've been working on the air conditioner. So anyway, we're having fun. Next episode on Dreamweaver SV. All right. So anyway, here we are with the air conditioner. Brandon, thank you for coming over and helping. John, thank you for helping. Let's see. Yeah, it's awkward. It's heavy on one end. So don't pick a thing up by yourself. All right. Show back. All right, and then we got one more box.